Hey, if you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, an industrial service provider, or a consultant who wants quick return on investment of your time, money, and effort, you are about to discover the 3 secrets to get started to be a successful solar entrepreneur without the pain of a long break-even period. Hi, and Jai Hind. I am Major Priyanka and I would like to invite you to attend a very special webinar on how to start your solar project business without having technical knowledge and a team. On this webinar, you will discover the answer every solar entrepreneur needs to know. First, how to become a solar entrepreneur without technical knowledge and a team. Second, how to close a solar power plant project. And third and the most important, how to start a solar project business without huge funding. So, if you are serious about wanting quick return on investment of your time, money and effort without long break-even period, register now for this special event that will show you exactly 3 secrets to get started to be a successful solar entrepreneur. Click on the link below and register now. And I look forward to see you all on the webinar. Till then, take care.